Okay, so to start, you can lift up the front hood. The battery is located right under this cover. So to start, you want to remove this cover. You want to grab it here and lift up, and here on this side as well, and lift it up to remove the cover. Now, as you can see, this battery is not really accessible, so in order to remove it, we'll have to remove the complete air box, so then that we can pull the battery towards ourselves and lift it straight up. Okay, so to start, first you want to disconnect the MAP sensor. To do that, you want to release this safety clip. So just push it up, and then you want to push with your fingers onto this small clip and disconnect the MAP sensor. And then you want to loosen up this flat screw here, so do not remove it completely. You just want to loosen it up enough so you can wiggle off the air box. So just follow what I do and you can do it the same way. Okay, so next thing, you want to get all the wiring off the way so you can pull out this air box later. So pretty much just get everything away, all the wires, so you get as much space as possible to work. Then you want to unclip this rubber cover right here, just like this, and get it off these clips as well. Just have to pretty much pull it off like this. So that way you'll get this way completely loose. And now what you have to do, you have to wiggle off these rubber holes of the air box. Now you don't have to remove these complete rubber holes. All you have to do is pretty much wiggle off these holes. Now I won't be able to do it with one hand while recording. Okay, sorry about that, I had to use both of my hands for a while there. So it will just slide off all the way if you push it, just like this. And now you have this off the way, and this air box is almost completely loose. Okay, once everything is nice and loose, all you have to do is lift the air box straight up, so there is no screws or anything holding it, just couple of pins. So just have to grab it on each side, wiggle it a bit and get it straight out, just like this, and move it off the way. Okay, and this way you will get much more space. And what we'll do next, we'll try to remove this front battery box cover and then pull the battery here outside towards ourselves. So now you want to remove this cable also off the way because it's blocking this cover. So you wanna, it's held by 3 plastic fasteners here, here and here. So what you want to do, you just want to pry those out. You see how they look, all of them. Okay, just like that. One more is here, down here. Okay, so I had to use both of my hands again, but anyways, there's just a couple of these plastic fasteners, they just pop out. Once you have them out, next thing to do, you want to unscrew this 10mm nut here to remove the positive battery terminal. And then once you do that, then you'll be able to remove this front cover. Okay, so once you have removed the positive battery terminal, this cable is actually connected to the front box cover. So what you want to do now, you just want to leave the cover up and pretty much wiggle it off and remove it, and now that way you'll be able to pull the battery towards yourself. Before you can do that, you'll have to remove these two 10mm nuts, this one here, then this one here, because they are holding the battery holder. So the purpose of this is to hold the battery in place while you drive, so you pretty much want to remove it. Okay, so these are the nuts, and now you can remove this top piece of the battery holder. At this point you can grab the battery and finally pull it towards yourself all the way as far as it goes, so you can get access to this negative battery pole in the back, and you'll also want to unscrew this 10mm nut here. So once you unscrew this nut, you'll be able to wiggle off and remove the negative battery pole. And at this point this battery is completely loose, so you can grab it with your both hands and completely remove it, pull it straight out and up, and that's it. You can clean the terminals. That's always a good idea, with a bit of sandpaper or a metal brush or whatever you have. Get the new battery, have it installed, and put back everything together. Now on most of the cars, replacing the battery is just like two nuts and the battery holder, that's it. Ford was able to make it really complicated on these Ford Focuses, but it is what it is. This is how you do it. I know this video isn't the best quality, it's very windy outside, so I was trying to work fast and record and this and that, but I hope it's gonna be helpful and it's gonna help you to replace your battery. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.